So what causes leaf variegations? There are a number of reasons, and in multiple videos I'll discuss some of those. But one of the most popular ones is an environmental stimulus that causes the growth to go through a little bit of a change. It could be just a slight genetic change, and as a result, different leaf forms pop up. So this is a variegated Grumichima. We don't know exactly why it happened, and I found it in a seedling, and I've grown it up for that reason. But I find that the leaf patterns that are in this particular plant are incredibly variable and highly attractive. And I'll be growing this one because of its interesting leaves. So the variegated Grumichima, or Grumichama, depending upon how you wish to pronounce this particular plant, I think is a beautiful plant. It's like a lily-pilly. We tend to grow it just for its fruit, but I also like to grow it as a hedging plant. But I think the variegation on this is absolutely divine. And a lot of other plants as well, what we do is we find them as a sport, a mutant, in the seed batch, and we grow those on as a particular new variety. And that's what you find in the garden centres. New plants that people have found in a batch of seeds grown up, and that is the new plant or the variety. So just a short little video about variegation, and I'll do some follow-ups for the different reason variegation occurs in plants.